Hey there, fellow Python fans. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be exploring the pros and cons of Python, one of the most widely used programming languages. If you're enjoying this content, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on notifications for more amazing content like this. Let's get started. Python is an incredibly powerful and versatile programming language, and there are many reasons why it's so great. Let's start exploring the advantages of Python to understand why it has become so popular among developers. Python is easy to learn and use, making it ideal for both novice and experienced developers alike. Its straightforward syntax and intuitive features make it remarkably easy to learn and use, ensuring a smooth learning curve for all. Python is an ideal language for data science and machine learning, boasting a vast library of resources and a thriving community of developers. Python code is renowned for its concision, which increases productivity and makes it more legible and simpler to maintain. This platform-independent code can be executed across any platform without the need for any modifications. Python boasts a large ecosystem of libraries and tools, making it versatile for various tasks. It's easy to integrate with other components, making it a great choice for complex projects. Now let's move on to the cons of Python. Here are some drawbacks you might face when using Python. One of the main drawbacks of Python is its slower speed compared to other languages, making it less efficient for certain tasks. Inefficient memory consumption can be an issue, especially in large-scale applications. Garbage collection in Python can lead to potential memory leaks, which might affect performance. Python developers sometimes face complicated designs and architectural challenges. Python is prone to causing runtime errors, which can be frustrating during development. Python's lack of presence on mobile devices can be a major barrier to its use in mobile app development. It's clear to see the advantages and disadvantages of using Python. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to stay up to date on all the latest Python news and tips. Thanks for tuning in, and we wish you happy coding ahead.